Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to check all passwords saved on Google account with just your phone. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So click on your phone settings, whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, make sure you head over to your phone settings. Then on getting to your phone setting, what you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for Google right here. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage your Google account. Then the next thing you need to do is to head over to security. So I'm going to simply click on here, security. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to manage passwords right here. Click on that. Then you will have all the password that is saved on your Google account with just your phone. So you can see them right here. From here, you can simply click on any one of them and fill your password. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to check all password saved on Google account with your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.